Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. Mad dog. So anyway, thought I'd do this video. I was looking around online and I was looking for something I really wanted, and it's been on my bucket list for quite a number of years. And I've seen quite a few about, but just too expensive to buy. So I found this company here in the UK, well I say UK, Scotland, and they are called FORMFUSEPRINTING .etsy.com. So they do 3D prints, and it's not actually resin they use, it's a lot of plastic. It's quite good. So I stuck my neck out, and I bought this. Should have been around about 60 quid. I've got a £12 discount on it, and also package and posting, which was £6 something. So we'll go down camera and I'll let you have a look at what I bought. So let's try and push this camera up a bit. There we go. So I've just done a live stream and I've got stuff everywhere at the moment. So I've opened it, inspected it, and yeah, it's pretty good quality. I do recommend these people, and I will put their link in the description. So in the box, I've always been a big fan of the series called the Exspance. So I was looking around online, trying to find one, and get this out of the box first. Let's just move the box. And I bought the Rocinante. So yeah, I bought this. It's 18 inches long. It's 18 inches long, this one is. Just make sure I get this the right way up. I think it's that way up, to be honest. Nope, not probably that way. There is a right and a wrong way of putting this together. It's not the one. I think that goes. It comes in two halves. Excellent, absolutely excellent quality. So like I said, it comes in two halves. It's the MCRN Mars, and they called it the Rocinante. Well, its original name was something else to start with in the series before they commandeered it, and it's called the Rocinante from the series called Exspance. So it's very, very good quality printing. It's very, very lightweight too. It's probably about, I don't know, probably maybe about 10 ounces, maybe like that, or probably less. Something like a weight of an ordinary plastic kit, something like, you know, something like that of this size. So the detailing is quite good. There's very, very, very little cleanup on it. Very little at all. There is some sanding to kind of get it smooth. It's a little bit kind of like raised in places, but not much. I've got to try and pull scribe pieces in the actual outer casing where the rocket, you know, the engine is. So I've got a bit of scribing to do there to pull back in the line. Really, really good fit. There is no sanding to actually make it fit. Let's just show you one at a time. So this is the rear half. Yeah, you've got the weapons either side, and everything else. The inside will need a bit of sanding inside. There's a little bit, a few rough places there, but nothing drastic, if you know what I mean. Bit of cleaning up here, it's been like webs and stuff, but other than that, no, it's pretty good. Got quite a lot of good detail in it as well. So I'm actually quite pleased with the print. Front half is a little bit better than the back half actually. Not so much cleanup. There is a seam line to fill around here, just a little bit to make it, you know, kind of smooth as though it's all one piece. But other than that, no, it's pretty good. Then you've got your weapons here, then on the front, and then you've got these weapons on the front here, and everything else. And it does come with a stand as well. The stand is actually brilliant quality, very, very lightweight, not heavy at all. It's a good fit. It's a good fit to the actual build itself, because that goes in there like that. So it goes in there. Then you got this to fit on the back. Make sure I get this the right way around. No, that's the other way up. There we go. So all in all, it's really, really good looking. I am very, very impressed with this. Absolutely impressed. So yeah, so this is the Rocinante from the Exspance. So like I say, it's from FORMFUSEPRINTING.etsy.com. Now they've got quite a few from the Exspance on there. So yeah. So if I was you and you like this, it's excellent quality print. Very, very lightweight as well. It's not heavy. I mean, if this was actually 3D resin, this would be very, very, very heavy. This would, but it's actually super lightweight, good quality. So I am very, very pleased with it. So this is one of the purchases that arrived. Do have something else coming in, that will be an unboxing for something else. So yeah, it's you know, it's quite a good print. It's got quite a bit of detail in it. So yeah, cool. I quite like it. It's good. Obviously, I will have to print some of my own decals to go on it, and bring up some pictures of the painting colours. You can either get this in grey or black, but I preferred to have the grey. And you can also get a smaller version of this. They do, I think it's just over 6 inches or more, something like that. But this is quite a size actually. This is well over, I think this is between 12 to 13 inches, maybe 14, something like that. But yeah, it's got a super good stand on it as well. Absolutely brilliant. So, but quality wise, I do recommend them. So yeah, quite impressed. Comes in 2 pieces. You ain't got to mess about putting guns on or anything. It was very, very well packaged when I got it. I ordered it on the Friday and I got it this morning. So very, very, very quick service. And this company is in Glasgow in Scotland. So yeah. So it's one for you sci-fi guys to look up online. So very impressed. So I'll go back cameras up. So it's just a little unboxing video of the build, and yeah, I'm going to quite enjoy putting this together and painting it, and doing all the detail painting on it as well. So yeah, it will need a little bit of a sand down, nothing heavy, just a little light sanding all the way around it, just to get some of the blemishes out. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it's brilliant. I would completely do recommend it. It's got the MCRN on and the navy on the side. So yeah, it's quite impressed. Nice. So this is the video of the unboxing of the Rocinante. So I'll leave it at that, guys, and I'll try and get the description in the video of the people to contact if you want anything like that. So we'll say goodbye for now. See you all soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.